It's Andrew here from AppleInsider, and I'm at Pepcom 2022. Welcome everybody to AppleInsider. Let's take a look at the best gear coming out of Pepcom at CES 2022, starting off with Belkin's new Wemo Smart Video Doorbell. This works exclusively with Apple HomeKit and supports HomeKit Secure Video. It is a wired doorbell, which means it is not battery powered. But because it does work with HomeKit Secure Video, it means everything is processed locally on your home hub, whether Apple TV or HomePod. It has a 178-degree field of view. That is wider than many others on the market, including the Logitech Circle View Video Doorbell or the Nest Doorbell. It'll be retailing for $249 and is available to order right now. Coming later this year, though, Wemo will be updating its entire product line, including switches, dimmers, and plugs, with new Thread-enabled versions that will work with Matter as well as HomeKit. This year, we also saw the new addition of an updated Soundform wireless earbud here, and these still work with Apple's Find My technology, which means should you ever misplace them, you can use the Find My app to help track your earbuds down. These are also noise-canceling earbuds, and they can be powered up over USB-C. They have 12mm dual-layer dynamic dryers, and they feature multi-point connection to jump between multiple devices. There's multiple sets of ear tips that you can jump between, and they support aptX HD 24-bit audio on devices that support it, which unfortunately doesn't include Apple devices at this time. Aside from that USB-C port, they also work with Qi, and they feature IPX5 water resistance, so they'll handle water, sweat, or light rain. Next product that impressed me was the Garmin Venu 2 smartwatch, and what makes it very unique is that it works with third-party voice assistants, including Siri on iPhone or Google Assistant on Android. It is a great-looking smartwatch and has a bunch of control to it, so this is a fitness-focused GPS smartwatch. There are tons of fitness features, including energy monitoring, stress tracking, women's health features, and a pulse oximeter. Siri on the Garmin Venu 2 can do quite a bit. You can control smart home devices, you can send text, ask questions, make phone calls, and more. The Venu 2 Plus has a 43mm watch case with stainless steel bezels and a Gorilla Glass AMOLED display, with battery life up to 9 days. This is the new Owlet Dream Sock. So this baby-worn device goes onto your child's foot and transmits a bunch of different information about how they are sleeping while they are in their crib. So this is what it looks like. It is very nice and small and slides onto your child's foot, and then it transmits all the information to a hub that is located nearby. It can even be paired with the Owlet camera so you can get a more holistic view of how your child sleeps. You can view all of that information here in the Owlet app. You can see we have a view of the child there on the top, how they are sleeping right now, how long they've been asleep, as well as measuring the sleep quality and whether or not you need to check in on them. In a complete 180 from baby tech, let's go ahead and take a look at the new commercial version of the Bartesian drink maker. So Bartesian has been out for a while, but they are out this year previewing their commercial version of their cocktail maker. The new version has a few different design changes, including this dial here at the top that you can use to control the strengths of the drinks that you're pouring. You can see all the bottles still go around the edge on the outside, but there's also a lock that'll keep those bottles in place so they cannot be taken out while they're serving. They're also showing off some of their new drinks, including that spicy or blackberry margarita. Another CES honoree, Panzer Glass. So Panzer Glass is being recognized this year for their paper-like surface for the iPad. They're combining not only that matte finish to an iPad screen protector, but it is also antimicrobial to help keep down bacteria on the surface of your tablet. It's very nice to be able to interface with as you swipe around with your finger or write with your Apple Pencil, but it also can fight germs at the same time. Then we have the Smart Desk Mat from Moft. It works in multiple different versions, whether you're using it to display an iPad, to read, use it as a flat desk mat, prop up your iPad or your laptop. There is a bunch of different functionality here, and I'm really just getting started. A couple of my favorites include the ability to use these two NFC points here at the bottom of the mat. You can tie these into Apple shortcuts and run a bunch of different commands. whether it's something simple like starting a timer, or in this case, it'll be triggering a meditation, but you can also use it to control smart home devices too. So if you walk up to your desk, tap it with your phone, and go ahead and set your lights for the workday. There's various magnets all over the board where you can connect various accessories. There is a wireless charger here, as you can see, that connects via MagSafe. There's one that holds cords into place like we see there at the top, and that little small one is perfect for small things like memos. If we jump over to the other iPad model over here, we can go ahead and pin up this little piece of paper up to the Moft instead. There's just a ton of functionality here, and it's hard to even show off in this quick video. You can see there is an iPad stand and these little book clips as well that can hold almost an entire book depending on how large the book is, which is pretty impressive. We also heard that the Aura Air has been updated to now support Apple HomeKit. Let me know over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU what your favorite new piece of tech was from here at CES and Pepcom in 2022.